Oh, hey, folks, Elder Law Care Attorney Patrick Kelleher joining you from elderlawcare.com. Folks, welcome and congratulations today for getting into our program. And today, folks, is going to be on what I refer to as the Big Six Disability Planning. Folks, why is the Big Six Disability Planning important? Because sadly, unlike fine wine, we do not get better or healthier with age. As we journey through life, good folks, unfortunately, your health will likely diminish. And most folks are focused on, I need a will, I need a trust. Yes, that's very, very important as well. That's the anchor, that's the foundation of a good estate plan. However, let's back up a little bit in the path of life. What comes first in life, sadly, from an actuarial statistical standpoint, what comes before your will or trust, which is death, sadly, would ever go into effect? What would come before death? Yes, incapacity, maybe disability. Unlike fine wine, we do not get better with age because from an actuarial statistical standpoint, most of us sadly will become incapacitated, diminished health, diminished capacity before we ever pass on. And this, folks, is one of the most overlooked areas in estate planning. It is called disability planning, incapacity planning. This is so critically important, folks. One of the most overlooked areas in estate planning, but also, ironically, one of the areas that people don't even think about because everyone's so focused on that will, that trust, which is also, again, as I mentioned a moment ago, the bedrock foundation of an estate plan. But also, you need belt and suspenders. Think of your trust and your will as your belt. Your suspenders, folks, is the disability planning, what I refer to as the Big Six disability planning, and some additional planning tools as you age in place. And the critical importance, folks, when you have what I refer to in my book as the Big Six disability planning, you should pick a copy up on Amazon. My strong recommendation, easy read, about 100 pages, How to Slay the Metaphorical Four-Headed Beast, and I cover it in there as well. The Big Six disability planning, folks, when you have that in place, it's designed. The objective is it's going to avoid what I call proceedings at the probate court. Proceedings at the probate court, such as legal guardianships and conservatorships. Guardianships here in Commonwealth are to manage an incapacitated person's medical and health affairs and matters. Conservatorship is a separate petition to the probate court to manage the money, financial affairs, and matters of an incapacitated individual. You want to avoid this, folks. Hence the reason why I call this the messes and stresses of probate court. You want to avoid the messes and stresses of probate court, as well as what I refer to as the economic and emotional headaches. Economic and emotional headaches of probate court.